How to look perfect at a party. Everyone wants to look good at a party, but what if you want to look perfect? First, allow yourself enough time to get ready. Groom yourself properly by taking a shower and moisturizing your skin. Next, choose the perfect outfit that matches the occasion, complements your body type, and accentuates your skin tone. Last, avoid any stain-prone food or drinks at the party and have fun. Getting ready. Plan ahead. Think about what you want to do and how long it will take. For example, if you need to plan an outfit and shave your beard, you may only need an hour or so. However, if you want to do makeup and style your hair, you will need as much time as you can get. If you're on a time crunch, try to do some things ahead of time. For example, plan your outfit the day before. Do your hair before you go to work or school. If you dye your hair, touch up your roots a few days in advance. Take a shower. A large part of looking great is being clean. While you shower, complete any other grooming activities, such as shaving your legs, exfoliating your skin, or touching up your roots with hair dye. Conditioning your hair to give it a silky shine. Taking a bath to help you relax for the party. Scrubbing your skin with a loofah to rub away dead skin. Moisturize your skin. After showering, cover your skin with moisturizer to make your skin glow and repair any damaged skin cells. If you've shaved your legs, moisturize with baby oil to give them a glamorous shine. 3. If your face is oily, use a special moisturizer for acne-prone skin. For special occasions, consider using a tinted or shimmering moisturizer. Fix your hair. If you have long hair, you may need to blow dry it before styling it. If you have short hair, you can let it air dry. If you don't know how to style your hair, there are many helpful YouTube videos that will teach you how. Alternatively, if you're attending an especially formal event, consider getting your hair styled professionally. To straighten your hair, you will need a blow dryer, a brush, a straightening iron, and soft styling spray. If you want to curl your hair, you will need curlers or a curling iron and some setting hairspray. Men can style their hair with pomade or gel for a finished look. Apply any makeup. If you're planning on wearing makeup, apply it after your hair is styled. When doing your makeup, apply the foundation first, seal it with a layer of powder, and then add any enhancements such as blush or mascara. You can also enhance particular features on your face. For example, to highlight your eyes, wear liquid eyeliner. If you want to enhance your lips, wear a bold lipstick. To emphasize smooth skin, wear a high-quality foundation. 4. Groom your nails. Everyone looks better with clean nails. If you want to keep it simple, clean the dirt from under your nails with soap and water. Next, trim your nails and file the sharp edge off the ends. If you like using nail polish, choose a bold color that will complement your makeup and outfit. You can paint your nails at home or visit a nail salon.